Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two top grooming tools from Philips, the Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 and 9000. So if you are ready to make a purchase, you can check out the Amazon link in the description for the best deals. Now let's dive into the comparison. First up, let's talk about the design. So the Series 7000 has a robust and sleek design with a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle. It comes with a full metal motor and a drivetrain reinforced with tempered steel. Now the Series 9000 on the other hand takes it up a notch with a more premium finish and even more ergonomic design, featuring a slightly slimmer build. Both are built to last, but the Series 9000 feels a bit more refined. Now, when it comes to the performance, both trimmers are equipped with self-sharpening blades that deliver precise cuts. The Series 7000s come with the 23 attachments, covering everything from beard trimming to body grooming. The Series 9000, however, includes 25 attachments, offering a bit more versatility, including extra precision in trimming. Both are excellent performances, but the Series 9000 offers slightly more options for those who want the ultimate grooming toolkit. Now, battery life is a key factor for any of the grooming tools. So, the Series 7000 give you an impressive 5 hours of runtime on a full charge. The Series 9000 matches this and offers 5 hours, but it includes a quick charge feature, giving you enough power for a full trim in just a few minutes. Both are cordless, waterproof and easy to clean, making them convenient for daily use, but the quick charge on the Series 9000 adds a bit of extra convenience. Now, finally, let's talk about the pricing. So, the Series 7000 is more affordable option, offering a great value with a wide range of attachments and solid performance. The Series 9000 is priced higher, reflecting its premium build, additional attachments, and the quick charge feature. So, if you are looking for the best value, the Series 7000 is a great choice, but if you want the absolute best with the a few extra features, the Series 9000 might be the worth your investment. So, which one should you buy? So, if you want a versatile, reliable grooming tool that won't break the bank, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is a fantastic choice. But if you are after a premium experience with extra perks, go for the Series 9000. Ready to make your pick? Check out the Amazon links in the description to grab yours today. So if this comparison helped you out, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.